Hey there, Leslie here. I'm going to read this quote from Maya Angelou. You can only become truly accomplished at something you love. Don't make money your goal. Instead, pursue the things you love doing and then do them so well that people can't take their eyes off you. And I want you to think about that and identify your why. What is your why for going into this field? It shouldn't be about money because you won't make much in the beginning. You have to work your way up to that. So why do you want to become a paralegal? That's number one. Number two is, who do you want to work with? The way I teach my students how to interview, you will determine what the culture is of that law firm and whether you want to be there or not. And number three, what area of law do you want to work in? And this is so important. If you haven't thought about it before, now's the time to think about it and investigate it. Go to paralegalcoffeetalk.com and get the free paralegal playbook under Paralegal Resources Hub. Okay, get that. You have to sign up to download it, no charge, and get that today.